Look at that. Hello everybody, Julian from JulianTechTM. Today is a very special video. It's my birthday! One more thing, it's a giveaway video too! I have asked my girlfriend to buy me a present, yes. I'm like, I want this, can you buy for me? And we can make a video, and then she bought it. I don't know exactly what model it is, but I know what it is. And the thing is... Tamiya cars! Ooh. Wow, you buy so many ah. What's this?
Go see. Oh, that's mine.
Wow, look at that. 3. This is childhood. This is really childhood. Like in primary school, I used to have a $200 Tamiya car. Back then, $200, freaking expensive, which got stolen. I cried. It got stolen, yes. It's the metal one where it can go up to 30, 40 or even 60 kilometers per hour. I'm not even joking, 60 kilometers per hour. This one usually goes from 5 to 10. Oh! Also, this one I buy myself, I didn't even ask. I bought a track. This is real childhood, yeah. Oh my god.
You have to tell me whether it's good or not.
No lah, these starter packs are usually not the industrial type. It's the consumer type lah. You know, you just buy it out of the box. Do you pay $20 for it or is it on offer? $20 ah? $65 ah, you buy for me? Oh, thank you. Haha. Wow. So usually the starter pack will come with a lousy motor, and yeah, this motor is usually the better one. I wonder whether they give the bearings that are metal. Yeah, it's all plastic. It's all plastic gears. So the metal gears are usually the ones better. And if you use one metal, you have to use all metal. Because if you use metal on plastic, the plastic is going to be worn off very fast.
Good working space.
Yeah, good working space. Good working space. How the car works is you have this motor, right? This motor, very small, very nice. Running gears through, and then you have this at the side of the car for this looks like bearings lah. Setup roller so that when it's in the track, it can roll smoothly. You don't want it to bang, right? This is what it is for. Let's assemble it. Let's assemble it. Wow, this has, wow, thank you baby. So if I'm not wrong, this motor back in primary school was $20, $40. So now it's a lot cheaper. You get almost everything. I got a feeling this is the better tier Tamiya car, but I might be wrong lah. Just a disclaimer, I do not know anything about this. Last time I touched is really primary school. I used to stay in Jurong West. My cousin, which actually is the one that introduced me to PC building, had a sick Tamiya car, and he was in secondary school at the time. They want me to put the stickers, but I don't really care for stickers. So first we're gonna add the gear. This is gonna be a 4-wheel drive. So they wanted me to put the 4-wheel drive stuff, which is this one, yes. Green gear into here. So it's very idiot proof lah. So if you look at it, can you zoom in here? So you see once you add this one in, when this moves, this one will move also. Grease. So much like PC building eh. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, they want me to put the wheels. You want the back wheels to be the thicker ones. See, there's a thicker and a thinner ones. The bearings are plastic, so it's not as good if it's metal. So you put in the rod. Yeah, get the bearings in. This metal bearing also. There's this like super thin, like copper bearing. I don't know if you can see properly. You see the green plastic and then like the copper bearing. And we put the thin wheels in front. Yeah, push them together. Look at that. La, 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 la. With this, right, actually makes it just real wheel, but with this extra gear system, it makes it 4 wheels. So we make it 4 wheels. We just do what is intended. Motor, casing. We're gonna put it in. Then we're gonna put the gears into the top with this. This top. And we're gonna have to grease it up again. We're gonna add this part in. Oh, it's here like that. On and off switch. And then this one will be here. Hello, go inside. Ow. Oh, there we go. Ta-da. Here. So you switch on the switch. This metal piece will engage the batteries and then it will move. And then we add the wheels. I kind of forgot what is a good settings for this. But you know, yeah, because you got big and small. Like sometimes it's better to put the big one behind, the smaller one be in front, and or vice versa. It depends which one works best for the track lah. Because some track have obstacles where you need it to be a certain speed, because if you go too fast it will just fly off. The industrial one, the metal one, you can actually bend it down so that it's it's pushing the car down. Okay, this is done. Look at that. Oh, amazing. So the type of batteries is also very important. If you buy those alkaline, those cheap ones, right, your performance of the car won't be 100% or so. So these are rechargeable batteries, which supposed to be better, I guess. Better than alkaline, but there are certain type of batteries you can buy specifically for Tamiya cars.
What's so good for you?
It just put up a bit more power than 9 volts. A little bit more. Like, did you know, if you use different batteries, right, your clock will go faster or slower? Because batteries are not all made the same. So the more you know, try. Ooh! Oh! Works. So we have this battery cover onto the body. Voila! Look at that. So this is done. We're gonna build the track. Very affordable track. It's just a oval. Good enough lah. We get to see it run. That's the problem in the past. As a primary school, you got the car, then what?
No track.
No track. So you have to go all the way down to the market where they have the track set up, and then you just play with your friends. Sticker don't need lah. I just want to set it up. Wow! Oh my god! I think I bought this at less than 50 bucks. Wow! There's no instruction. Okay, cool. Just put it in yourself then. Okay. Oh! Ayo, you see this thing is so bent. Oh god. Are we ready? Are we ready? Wow. Yeah. Okay, wait, something is wrong. The body is in the way. Wow! So you have the $100, $200 one, right? You can never use your hand to stop it because it's gonna hurt.
What do you use to stop it?
Cloth.
Cloth.
Yeah. We can add the barriers to make things interesting. Wow! Let's do timings. Okay, we're gonna do 10 laps, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11.5 seconds. Supposed to end the video here, but no, not yet. We're gonna stop the camera, we're gonna fix all the other tasks, and then we're gonna see how it runs, right? Okay? Let's go.
Much later.
Okay, I'm back. Did some adjustment. Me and my girlfriend built this. Ashley built this one, and I built this one. Both of them have the stock motor. So if you're wondering how the motor works, right, it's basically an electromagnet. So when you hit the power, it starts to turn, right? So the more coils it has, the faster it is. I wanted to like modify it, but I don't have the tools to dismantle this. So you know what? It's fine. For the big spider, what I changed is the wheels. Smaller wheels. It's actually slanted, so the contact point is lower, but it seems like it's faster in the track. We will test it out. 1150 with the normal wheels, so we're gonna test it out. The Cyclone Magnum, stock motor, but the thing I changed is instead of 4 wheels, 2-wheel drive, so the front is free to spin. This one does 12.5 seconds for 10 laps. This one on the other hand, very similar to this, is the Dino Hawk Gx. Wow, what a name. It's very similar to this except 4-wheel drive, and it does 14 seconds on 10 laps, so it's actually quite slow. I really forgot why it's slower or faster, but I just know 2 wheels is faster. So I'm very curious to see how fast this goes, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Wow. With the wheels, it did 9.8 seconds.
Oh wow.
2 seconds improvement. I can test this out again lah. You can see how the difference with the fast one. So the camera cut off, so we're gonna do this again. Alright. Are we ready? The lights is on! And the lights off, and away we go! It's not really that fast. Just push back the thing already. Alright, oh, it's overtaking! It's overtaking in a one lane! Chill out, man! This is a blue shooter. The blue shooter has no chills, man. No chills. See this one, push out that. Okay. Wow. Sounds very smooth actually. These are ramps to limit the speed of the Tamiya cars during competition. So you put it around the corner. So if they want it to be slow, they will put it near to the turn. So if I put it super close to the turn, right, I think only this one can survive. This one definitely won't survive. Let's see whether it's... Ayo. Whoa. Wow. Grinding action. Do you see that? I think this one might fly off already. Oh. No, didn't fly off. It did fly off. This one, I don't know whether I should try.
Do it.
Okay, I put it from here. Ouch, man. That hurts.
right.
I think a good one would be here, like this area. Look at that. So this is a good example. If let's say there's a competition and they want to limit the speed, this car cannot qualify. But if I have something like this, yeah, no problem. Look at that. Back in the day, Tamiya car competition were very unique in that sense where you have the slower ramp tracks and the faster just nothing you go. And I remember those $200, $300 Tamiya cars, right, can move the whole Tamiya track that is 20 times longer and bigger than this and multiple lanes. So it's freaking huge and it will move the whole thing. And I would say this one goes about 5 to 10 kilometers per hour, but that one can go from 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. I can't even talk properly. Brings back a lot of good memories in primary school. I thank you lah, BB. Like, I'm very happy. So thank you guys. Giveaway? I mean, I would give y'all the Tamiya car lah, no problem. But I think y'all would like to have a headset, right? I guess I can give this since I have two. Today, I will give away the Razer Tournament Kraken. How to win? Comment down below. Like this video. Have to be a subscriber. So other than that, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Comment to win. Like, subscribe, and I think you know what we're doing? We are done. Wow. Timing, man. Timing.